I'm Shana with Fitstyle, and a friend on Facebook asked me, how can you feel ready for a workout even if you're getting dressed for work? And I know exactly what she's saying because I put on my favorite Zumba pants, right, and sparkly, and I'm ready to go. But you cannot wear those pants just anywhere. So I'm going to show you 3 easy tests you can do when you're picking out your clothes so you can be ready for work and a workout. Test number 1 is the step test, because you want to make sure your legs are free to move. Walking is so good for you, so you want to be able to step touch side to side and maybe even do a little lunge. Now, when it comes to shoes, if you've got some shoes that feel really uncomfortable or already pinching your toes, that's a no-no. You want to definitely have comfy shoes, but there's so many great, super cute flats and tennis shoes now that you do not have to give up style for comfort. Test number 2 is the stretch test. So there are lots of things in our everyday life that we can use as really exercise equipment, like a countertop for push-ups. So we want to make sure our top is stretchy. So bring your arms above one another and also elbows in. You do not want to feel like the Incredible Hulk about to bust out of your clothes. Test 3 is the sweat test. Because if you're moving around, it happens to the best of us, you might start to sweat a little and there might be some little sweat pits. Yeah, I know, it happens. So pick out clothes that are dark colored, blacks, navy blues, or go super light, like whites or creams, or my favorite is the pattern. I'm telling you, those things are like amazing camouflage. Other thing you can do is just go for layering. You can always just cover up those sweat pits. Which, is it sweat pits or pit stains? Well, you know what I'm talking about. So remember to do the step, stretch, and sweat test so you can be ready for work and a workout. And stay tuned for more Fitstyle with me, Shana, on Guru Hub.